Hello everyone and welcome to my new episode of Math Support video, and in today's video I have taken the topic fraction, and in fraction the subtopic what I have taken for today's video is mixed fraction. How to solve a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So mixed fraction is basically a fraction where we have a whole number along with the fraction. So we can write this as we can say it's 2 and 1/3. 2 and 1/3 doesn't mean that we are adding 2 plus 1/3. No, it's 2 and 1/3. Now, how to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction? That's what I'm going to explain. But before I move on to the steps that we use to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, I would like to focus on improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Improper fraction is a pure fraction that where the numerator is always greater than the denominator. So that's what we're gonna prove by using this number as a mixed fraction. So here 2 is a whole number and 1/3 is a fraction. So this is a mixed fraction that we are going to convert into improper fraction where the numerator will be greater than the denominator. So let's have a look here. I have shown here in my written explanation that 2 is a whole number and 1/3 is a fraction, where if we talk about what is 1/3, in 1/3, 1 is representing numerator and 3 is representing denominator. So let's come on to the steps that we will be using to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So first step is multiply the denominator, the value which is the bottom value, multiply the denominator with 2, which is 3 multiplied by 2. So if we multiply the first step, multiply 3 with 2, which will give 6. Second step, add the number with the numerator. So if the number if 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, whatever the value is coming here, 6, this 6 will be added with the numerator, and we will add with the numerator, and whatever the answer we will write on top of the denominator. So we multiply 3 2 times 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So we will write 7/3. So where the numerator is greater than the denominator. So this is the way how we solve the improper fractions. So here we proved already that the improper fraction, according to the definition, the improper fraction is a fraction where numerator is greater than the denominators. By using this example, we have already proved, yes, it is proved that numerator is bigger than the denominator, and that's why it is an improper fraction. Hope you like the video. I'll come with another video where we will be adding mixed fraction. I will be teaching you how to add mixed fraction and how to do subtraction with the mixed fraction. Hi, welcome back again. Now in this video I'm going to talk about how to add mixed fraction. In my previous video I have told how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, and now I'm going to talk about how to add these mixed fractions. So here the first step that we have to keep in our mind, that we have to find out what is whole number and what is fraction. So in this mixed fraction, this is whole number and this is fraction. So 2 and 1/2, and here plus 2 and 3/4. So we are in this the whole number is 2, and in this mixed fraction, whole number is 2. So we're going to add them, 2 plus 2, and we'll keep them separate. Now we'll move on to the second step, where add the fractions. So we are just going to add the fraction 1/2 and 3/4. If you see here 1/2 and 3/4, the denominator is not same. To make the denominator same, we have to make sure that we have the same value. So here it is 4, here we have 2. It is easily, we can make it out. Okay, let's do multiply 2 with it and we can get it. But how we can multiply 2 with it? We have a step for it. So here we are multiplying and dividing 2 over 2, which is, this whole means a one whole. The 2 by 2 represent one whole. So if we remove it, it will not make any effect on it. And if we are adding on it, that's fine. Okay, so not adding, if you're multiplying with it, that's fine. So 2 over 2 is because we want the same denominator. So 2 multiplied by 2 will give 4 and 2 multiplied by 1 will give 2. So now if we see here, this fraction we convert it like this, 2 over 4 plus 3 by 4. Now we can take the common denominator. So if you see here, we got 2 plus 3. We have taken the common denominator 4 and numerator we are adding, and so we got 2 plus 3, which will be 5 by 4. Yeah, 5 is as a numerator and 4 is at the denominator place. Now what we are going to write it, right? We are going to take this whole number and the answer that we got from the whole number and the fraction, we are going to write it into the forms of mixed fraction, which is 4 and 5 over 4. So we can convert this again into improper fraction as that we have learned before. So let's do it. We multiply the denominator with the whole number. So 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. And now 16 we will be adding with the numerator, which is 5. So 16 plus 5 is 21. So here the answer, 21 over 4. Numerator is greater than the denominator. It is called improper fraction. I hope you liked the video. Thanks a lot.